Hey, welcome to Flooded Acres Homestead. Today we are going to be showing you how to halter break and lead break your sheep. So we've all had that moment where we've been frustrated, but being patient is the secret key here. So today we have Spirit. She is 3 years old, and this is the second day working with her. I will be leaving the halter on her while she is milking, so she will be easier to catch daily. After placing the lead rope, I will put slight pressure on the rope, making sure not to pull her, as this will only make the situation worse, and you will lose all positive experience. It may take some time, but they will eventually move in the desired direction. After moving in the desired direction, leave some slack in the lead rope. This will be a reward for them so that they're not being tugged on and in an uncomfortable position. And that's it. With time, they will get better. Hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notifications icon so you get updated the second I release a new video. Thanks guys. If milking was only this easy.